The do's and don'ts for this upcoming Lunar New Year, January 28 or 29, depending where you're at. Number one on the do list is make sure that you do clean your house before the Lunar New Year, which means decluttering and removing anything technology-based that is not working anymore. Do make sure that all your clocks are in sync and it's working. Remember, we want the Lunar New Year where time is moving forward and there is growth. Do make sure that all your plants are watered before the day of the Lunar New Year. When we water our plants, it invites growth, prosperity in our life, because remember, money is color green, and chances are your lucky bamboo, well, it's color green. On the top list of to-do lists is to put all your crystals, all the things that you are using for manifestation in the right place, such as your prosperity bowl, your citrine, your hematite, all those crystals that brings luck. For this Lunar New Year 2025, it is the southeast corner of your home. Do make sure that underneath your bed, it's all clean. Nothing that is heavy as an object should be placed underneath where you sleep, because that can bring heaviness in your relationship. Do make sure that you are wearing bright colors such as red and gold, festive colors during that day, because that way you can attract the energy of wealth. Now, there are things that we shouldn't do during this day. So here are your don'ts. Don't engage in any argument during this day, as it is very inauspicious for us to have any kind of quarrels with people that we love. Don't wear black or white as your outfit, as this symbolizes a very inauspicious energy such as death. So we don't want to wear our favorite little black dress during this day. Don't sweep your floor during the Lunar New Year. When we do sweep our floor, it would be the next day or the prior day. But during the day itself of the Lunar New Year, it is inauspicious as you are sweeping off away your luck. So make sure you do not sweep during that day, vacuum or clean at all. Don't, I repeat, don't lend any money to anyone for this particular day. If someone asks you for a little bit of chump change, tell them tomorrow, not today. Because if you start during the Lunar New Year lending people, helping people during that day with regards to money, there will be a lot of people coming your way borrowing more. So we want to avoid that during this year. And that's all for today. And remember, during the Lunar New Year, it is the best time for us to manifest the new energies this year for 2025. This is the year of the wooden snake, and it is good for us to use this year as a change, as a year where we can bring the change in our life for prosperity and luck. Make sure to wear your garnet, the jade, and citrine with real gold, as these are auspicious gemstone for us to bring material gains. And the southeast side of your home is where you should put your lunar prosperity bowl. And I also am giving the red thread for the sink to prevent any kind of financial losses that you have been experiencing for the past year in 2024. So it is a must to put that underneath the sink. And then the door of abundance, make sure to put and hang the citrine and the gold hematite that I'm giving away for free by your doorway before the Lunar New Year. I'm Sal, and I'm always here, happy to help everyone for this coming New Year. Happy New Year's to everyone who is celebrating this Lunar New Year.